Hello, we are the SpaceX fans and welcome to the SpaceX Show, the place where you can stay up to date with everything SpaceX. Supposed to launch on Friday but moved to Saturday, SpaceX successfully launched the Crew 7 mission yesterday.
2, 1, engine full power, and liftoff. Go Falcon, go Dragon, go Crew 7.
Endurance ascends, an international crew destined for the International Space Station.
The booster which launched this mission, B1081, then landed successfully for the first time on the landing pad at Landing Zone 1.
And of course, we are also expecting that landing burn start from Falcon 9 any second now. Great views.
Stage 2, FTS is saved.
Great news there that Stage 1 has successfully landed back at Landing Zone 1 in Florida.
Also, earlier this morning or yesterday, depending on your time zone, SpaceX successfully launched the Starlink 611 mission.
1, ignition, and liftoff. Go south.
The booster which launched this mission, B1080, then landed successfully for the third time on the drone ship. Just read the instructions.
Stage 1 landing bird. Stage 2 is in terminal guide. Stage 1 landing leg deploy. Stage 1 landing confirmed.
Coming up this week, we can hopefully expect another couple of Falcon 9 missions to launch. The first of these, the SDA Tranche 0B mission, is scheduled for Thursday 31st at 2:26 PM UTC or 10:26 AM EDT. That same day, we could also see a Starlink mission launch just a matter of hours later. The Starlink 613 mission is currently scheduled for Thursday 31st at 11:31 PM UTC or 7:31 PM EDT. Heading to Boca Chica, work continued on the orbital mount prior to Booster 9's return. The old mid-bay building in the yard is now in the process of being demolished. A crate was seen moved into and opened up inside the Starlink building. Here's a view of the S-24.2 test tank being worked on out in the yard. A Raptor vacuum engine was spotted being installed underneath Starship 28. As we saw in the last video, SpaceX rolled Booster 9 back to the launch site with its hot staging ring installed. On Friday, SpaceX successfully performed the second static fire test of the Booster 9 prototype and the first since it being rolled back out. SpaceX also posted some aerial footage of this Booster 9 static fire test. They said Super Heavy Booster 9 static fire successfully lit all 33 Raptor engines with all but 2 running for the full duration. Congratulations to the SpaceX team on this exciting milestone. In response, they posted yet another video of the test. This one says the test produced approximately 7.9 million pound force of thrust, or approximately 3,600 metric tons. I also wanted to share this really cool top-down video they also posted. With the Booster 9 testing that happened during the week, the closures were utilised. There is, however, another possible closure for this coming week with tomorrow, Monday 28th. As always, I have to say thanks to both Sean Doherty and Jack Beyer for being out there filming the Starbase content. Also, thanks to the NASA spaceflight team working behind the scenes on their videos, live streams and other space content. That's it for this episode of the SpaceX Show. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. If you want to stay updated with SpaceX info, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified when I upload. Thanks for watching and have a great day.